Aloha and welcome to this guided tour of the project management module. This is a pretty simple module, and that's not to say that project management isn't difficult. It's probably one of the most difficult things out there. It's just that we are going to do extremely simple forms of project management in this class. Nevertheless, even though they're very simple as project management techniques, you may find you have trouble even doing the simple ones. That's how complicated project management actually is. On the other hand, I do believe that if you follow the guidelines that we're going to set out in this module, that you can create a wide variety of applications in small groups fairly effectively. So what are we going to do here? I have a screencast that provides kind of a historical overview of different software development process models. That's because, anybody taking a software engineering course, if they haven't heard the waterfall model at least once, then you've got to really question the credentials of the instructor. So I'm making sure that you hear that word or that pair of words. And then we'll go into how you can use project hosting, in this case GitHub, to create well-documented projects, which are kind of a prerequisite to satisfying the 3 prime directives. Then I'm going to explain in a short screencast what I call issue-driven project management, and that's the use of the issue manager in GitHub to organize the development of your project, either singly or in a group. You can use this approach. And it works pretty well as long as you have a relatively small team who is willing to get together a couple of times a week. Okay, if you have those 2 requirements, and I hope that everybody in this class is willing to get together in their team a couple times a week to do review of the tasks that they're working on and plan out the next set of tasks that they're working on, I think you'll find that this is a fairly pleasant, low overhead, but effective way to do project management. 2 experiences. Basically, for the final project, I want you to be doing the issue-driven project management and using GitHub to document your project in the manner that I've talked about. After you've seen the screencast, you can simply go to this page where I've reviewed all of the basic requirements for these 2 approaches for you. All right, thanks a lot.